Hey there, Shawn Lawson here, branch manager over at Arbutus RV in Port Alberni. I've got a walkthrough tour for you on our 2026 Winnebago THRIVE. This is the 22 MBH. Comes in at about 5,800 pounds dry. I think 5,822 was the dry weight. You've got Asdel in the exterior walls, which is a great product. Happy to tell you more about that. Just give us a call, or you can find lots of information online. Just basically looks after things like delamination. So pretty much a thing of the past when you've got Asdel in the walls. You've got on-demand endless hot water. There's your outside shower. It's got 30 amp power. You do have a rack and pinion slide out system. It's got a BAL huck bolt frame and 4-corner stabilizer. So you have 4 independent stabilizers to plant the RV nice and solid at your camp spot. The front cap has a automotive windshield on it with a protective film as well. Up in your awning here, you've got this awesome LED light strip, which is just a solid strand of light as opposed to all the little individual LEDs. Out front in the storage, you can see there's a vent there from the furnace that's going to keep this space warm. There's your 30 amp charge controller. You've got 200 watts of solar on the roof. JBL speakers outside. Check out those new steps. These are super light and lots of adjustment. And when you're finished camping, you can just fold those up and they just go right up inside the trailer. So let's pop inside and have a look. You've got laminate or linoleum, in the slide floor. So no carpeting, which is great. Back at your bunks here, you've got 2 large bunks with very comfortable mattresses. You've got USB and USB-C outlets there, windows at both bunk levels. Check out the bathroom. You've got this fiberglass countertop and sink system that this manufacturer's done for you. Same thing here in the kitchen. So just a molded fiberglass countertop, nice and solid. It's all built into one. There you go. Drawers, look at that. You got a spot for your cutlery. Soft close, some spot for your trash there. Soft close. You've got your Gerard 3-burner cooktop and oven. Dials light up when they're on. Let's see, there we go. They turn red. Little safety feature. Furrion throughout the rest of it. You've got your Furrion icebox, air conditioner, nice and quiet, 2-stage setup. Underneath your dinette here, you've got the drawers that slide out. Again, those are soft close as well. This does have a Murphy bed, so you've got a nice comfortable couch with storage underneath, and then the Murphy bed folds down. I think this is a nice easy one to do, so I'll just do it while I'm holding the camera. There you go, just drop that down, drop that into place. Bring your bed out, boom, you're set. Your front window there has a roller shade that's built into the surround there, so it stays tight up against the window for you. Really comfortable dinette. You can drop this dinette down as well. There's just a handle there, so you can use that to adjust and slide the tabletop around, as well as drop it down flat and turn that space into extra sleeping. Your cabinets here have got hinges that hold it up out of the way, so when you're trying to get stuff out of the cabinets, you can do that a little easier. Tons of storage in these. Really nice looking lights throughout. Just packed with features. So again, this was the 2026 Winnebago 22 MBH, and looking forward to showing it to you. Come on down to Arbutus RV. Shawn here at Arbutus Port Alberni. Have a great day.